With DuckDuckGo seeing a boost, and we already kind of talked about this, is Yelp getting even mildly interesting? I've avoided most things Yelp beyond a free profile because, well, it both feels like hot garbage in terms of UX, and their pricing models make no sense.
Go back to the voice, please.
Yeah, please.
Well, I've avoided most things Yelp beyond a free profile because, well, it both feels like hot garbage in terms of UX and their pricing model makes no sense. Things like it costing $365 a year for me to upload a logo that's already present everywhere on the internet has me question everything else they want me to pay for. But now that DuckDuckGo is getting a big spike in traffic, and they for some ungodly reason refer to Yelp for things, I'm wondering if the return on investment with Yelp is starting to be interesting. Also, side note, why does DuckDuckGo refer to
Why does DuckDuckGo refer to a very, very old version of my Yelp profile? Whatever. What does this even mean? Did you guys get any of that? Or
first of all, Chit.
what did you call me?
Chit.
Who's Chit?
You've never seen
Yeah,
Chit?
there's a little bit of chit in there.
Yeah.
What is a chit?
It's a character.
Yeah.
From what?
You just got to look him up. Like, hi, is there a black person here?
Okay. Cut.
So we've already, I think, given him his answer on how small of a market share DuckDuckGo has.
Yeah. True.
He's not really going to get any kind of a meaningful impact from it if he were to go full bore and investing into his Yelp profile. Even though they pull from an antiquated thing, which I would probably argue Yelp's a little antiquated at this point. It's big, it has good domain authority, but really I don't think you need to do much beyond their standard listing.
Yeah, Yelp is huge in California, and they've tried to act like they're huge everywhere else, but the truth is they've kind of built their platform on a very gross model. And I say it like that on purpose because, number one, if you're a business who wants to advertise on there, if you've done any work with them, they are basically proud of the fact that they will just hold you hostage and show bad reviews, you click on your profile and your competitors' ads show up before your name does. They're just kind of nasty. Like they don't even feel bad that they will absolutely take any value you add to the platform and sell it off. And the only way to keep them from doing that is to also pay them. On the flip side, and I don't even care if Yelp users get mad, like please comment, but Yelp users, in my opinion, are the biggest Karens and Darrens in the world. They use it specifically just to complain. I mean, we've had clients, multiple restaurants, that have said, oh yeah, we'll have Yelp users that they'll eat and they'll say, hey, I'm leaving a 1-star review if you don't give it to me for free. The most human trash that I've ever met. So, and obviously there's probably some that are like, hey, I've never done that. But unfortunately, I've had so many experiences that, yeah, like I feel like Yelp and their users, there's a special place in hell for all of them because
it's pretty rare to go out of your way to just go to Yelp for a positive customer experience. I don't think that really happens. And I feel like most people feel that way and they're not going to Yelp to get good positive reviews for recommendations. They're going there to see what's wrong with this place.
I've never used Yelp for a review.
Yeah. If you're a business, just screw Yelp. Don't worry about them.
Even on their paid search part, we've had a number of clients that have tried to run ads through Yelp over the years, and I don't think a single one has seen any kind of a meaningful return from it.
Yeah, they would pay, some of them were paying thousands, and then we killed it back to $5 a month, and nothing happened.
Yeah.
The shocker.
Yeah.
In fact, their revenue did better.
I didn't need to be spending all that money.
Yeah. I mean, if they actually cared enough to change, great. But they don't. I swear, their corporate vibe or whatever is going on there, they actually are. It's almost like they're proud of being douchebags.
Yeah, I think they're making the world a better place, man. Like all villains do.
Maybe they used to be the hero, but they've lived long enough to see themselves become the villain.
Yeah, that quote rings true. Look at our current situation.
Yeah. Trump, hero or villain?
I don't know if he was ever a hero, but he was not this bad. We can talk about that later.